Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by choosing the app lock method that fits your device and risk level, built-in for simplicity, third-party for features. Set a strong device lock first so the app lock has a foundation. Once done, install the app and immediately grant critical permissions like usage access, overlay, and device admin if prompted. These allow it to monitor and lock apps. Make sure to note recovery options and a secure master PIN or biometric enrollment before moving to configuration. Now you configure exactly what gets protected and how. Start by selecting sensitive apps, banking, email, photos, and any messaging apps, and use groups to speed future changes. Choose unlocking methods, PIN for visitors, fingerprint for quick access, and set a sensible auto-lock timeout so locks engage after brief inactivity. Then enable safeguards like stealth mode, prevented uninstalls, and auto-lock on screen off. These controls reduce false unlocks and ensure consistent protection across use scenarios. Finish by rigorously testing. Lock apps, force close the locker app, reboot the device, and attempt unlocks to verify behavior. Once satisfied, backup settings or link an account for recovery so you won't be locked out permanently. Make sure automatic updates won't reset protections. If something goes wrong, first confirm the app has all required permissions and is excluded from battery optimizations. Then check for conflicting security apps or recent updates. As a last step, reinstall or restore from backup to recover a broken setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.